Hello. On the occasion of this World Environment Day, we JCI Saklim in collaboration with Samrat Club, we have taken this initiative of planting 1,000 trees, and we will be doing this on the basis of each one plant one. So today we have various tree sampling, including neem tree and the other trees, and almost 700 samplings has been distributed to all the public here. I appeal to all the youth to take part in this noble cause, and as the theme of this Environment Day is ecosystem restoration, so we should be thankful to our Mother Earth and contribute something so that we can give back to our environment. Thank you.
Hello, myself Sandeep, and I would like to thank our Honorable CM for today's event and for giving his valuable time for today's event. I would like to also thank the various punch members and councillors for contribution for today's event. I would also like to thank our past president Ganesh Gadi and present Bharatiya Janata Yuva Manch president Ganesh Gadi for today's contribution. And I would like to thank Samrat Club President Amol Betkekar sir for today's contribution, and his team. I would also like to thank JCI President Shaba Gaus and his team for today's contribution. And I would like to say to each and everyone to participate in our drive for each one plant one and contribute to this event. Thank you. And I would also like to thank Prathamesh Gaus and GP News team for covering this event.